Hello and welcome. My name is Benjamin Keyser, technical engineer at Solid Print. Today we have the ginormous pleasure of scanning the most tiniest of cars. Introducing the Peel P50. Back in the groovy 60s, the Peel P50 was born on the captivating Isle of Man, and rumours very quickly spread of its fuel efficiency, affordability and generally cracking good looks. P50 cars have taken this glorious design and converted it for the modern day society. And now to introduce you to our companion on this adventure, the Peel 3. Created by Creaform, the renowned metrology equipment manufacturer in Canada, the Peel 3 is a handheld 3D scanner which uses geometry, positioning targets and dazzling bright colours to capture precise data so that we can transform the real-life Peel P50 car into a scaled-up model for you guys to print at home as well. So fasten your seatbelts and strap in for the adventure that awaits us as we scan in this Peel P50. Proof that size really doesn't matter.
Does it actually say the strip size doesn't matter?
Size doesn't define the boundless joy.
Okay, say that.
Oh! Proof that size doesn't define unforgettable and enjoyable experiences that this ride can bring. So prepare for a wonderful experience ahead. And just like that, folks, we're at the end of our cracking experience here in South London. It's now time for the talented team at Creaform HQ in Canada to work their magic and turn the 3D scan data into a real-life model car. So prepare for the next step as we whiz you over across the pond to our guys in Canada.